Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your current password on Facebook. Now open up the Facebook app if you're on an iPhone or an Android or computer. And the first thing we're going to do is get to your settings in Facebook. So you can see at the very bottom right here is the menu icon. I can tap on that. Keep in mind on your device, it might have been at the top right instead. Now from here, we're just going to scroll down and we're going to open up settings and privacy on here. And then tap on settings. Now, of course, if you're already logged into your account, you can get an idea of what your password is. I'll also show you some options if you're not logged in and you can't log in. So let's tap on see more in account center here. And now you can see midway down here is password and security. Just tap on that. And then we're going to go to change password at the very top. And of course, this is for Facebook. So tap on that. Now on here, it's a security risk for Facebook to just reveal what your password is. But it does say your current password, and in my case, it was changed January 1st, 2025, and here we are in 2026, so about a year ago. If this jogs your memory, you might be able to enter in the current password and then set a new one. However, let's say you don't know what that password is, or you haven't logged into Facebook, there is another option, or at least two other options. What we're going to do from here is swipe to the left till you get to the app library. And within the app library, all we need to do is hit the search bar and we're going to search for passwords. And you can see there's a new passwords app here. So I can open up the passwords app and at the very bottom, I can just search for Facebook. And you'll be able to see I can hop into Facebook and it will show me my username, in this case, my email, and the password. I can just tap on it to reveal it. If you don't see it in here, another place to look is you can go to Google Chrome instead. So again, we're going to search for the Chrome app and open it up. After we've searched for that Chrome app, we're going to tap on those three dots at the very bottom right. And then you'll be able to see if you swipe over, there is Password Manager. Same as before, let's just get into the Password Manager. And on here, we can just search for Facebook and open up Facebook and you'll be able to see the email address as well as the password associated with that Facebook email or Facebook account. You can just tap on the little I to reveal what it is. I hope this helps. If it did, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.